Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you know you not follow our page, please do not feel to follow, like our videos, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The last video we did load networking. We did load networking. This is 2024 model Revit, and we did this design in 2009 model, Revit model. That's what we use in doing the design. Today we're going to be taking us on rich cap on this heat roof. On this heat roof, rich cap on the that also have it has gable roof. Look at it. Look at the rich cap. How we're going to achieve it. So we're going to be taking us on how to do this model today, on how to do this modeling. So this will not take us time. It won't take us time. We've not done any design that has gable roof or on ridge. So today we'll be doing that of the ridge that has gable. It has gable all the way through. So ridge cap is here. So let's do it likely. So with the last video we did this road networking, showed you how to do this modeling. So if you've not seen or know how to do this, go to our last video and watch our last video and you'll get to know it. So first of all, let me highlight this. Let's refresh. Highlighted it. Let me delete it. I think it's gone. Let me view properly to see it's gone. Okay, it's gone. It's gone. Okay. So what we're going to do now, first of all, is to go to elevation view. From the last video we did in our tutorial, we taught us on how to do this design. We raised, okay, let me go to view. First of all, let's go to view, elevation view. Which of the elevation am I going to? Let me use east. We go to east. Okay, this is east. Okay, I've even raising it here. Let me delete. Let me delete this. Okay, it's gone. So here, I'm going to use different pattern of doing this roof sheet. Different pattern to do this roof sheet. I'm not going to take it as high as I took it last time. Okay, this is what I'm going to do now. First of all, you highlight the roof you want to do. Go to your view. Highlight the roof you want to model. Same roof, that is the common way to achieve this is to, the manipulative way we do this is you highlight this, you see, use the same sheet, cut it off and replace it on top of this same roof. So what we're going to do is to do this, highlight and copy. Don't want to take it very high. Let it be vertical from your pole. Okay, it's there already. Now, I don't want to start editing like we did in the last video. Drop my tool. I want to start editing from the way we did last video. After editing, we'll now drop it on it. That's what we did last time. But this time around, I can still do this. Place it on top of this sheet. Bring it down. And do your editing. Okay. Bring it down to do your editing. It's coming down. Okay. Let me zoom it a bit so it will be faster. Okay. 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 Let's see who kept it. Let's keep it on top exact. on top is that the way we want it to be. This my roof sheet is 50mm thickness. So that's what I did, the setting I did. So you can still do your setting as well. So therefore, we'll now go to, okay, let me still stay here and do this. Remove the highlights you did. If you're not in architecture, enter architecture, you see vertical here, enter vertical. So you highlight the roof sheets which you needed to work on in the top. It's going to bring you, go to a view. Which view I'm going to use as a working plane? I'm going to use any of this view you want to use. I want to use sites, floor sites, elevation. Bringing it here to give you a tool. Your keypad, you're having a tool already, a pencil. So what to do, as you did in the last tutorial, that's what we're going to do again. Click here, start aligning it. Align it, first of all, to the area it covers. To the area it covers. Okay, make sure you're picking the right points. Make sure you're picking the right points. This structure is a big one, and it has a lot of components in it. So dragging it is making it hook and hang. So I just want to use this opportunity to use this kind of roof sheet that probably don't design often, gable roof especially. So many opportunities that has gable roof in this to do this modeling and teach us on how to do this. And that is it. If you've not known how to do gable roof per se, it's just to pick your lines in the roof sheets by foot. Then the particular flow you don't want to exist, then you highlight and define that slope. We've done that in our tutorial, the last tutorial on how when we're doing roof design, when we're doing roof design on a lower roof, showed us on how to do that, all of that. So go to our last video, you're going to see it there. Well, this is gable roof. Have another way of approaching it. Okay. Okay, we're still picking the lines. Like I said initially, the structure is a big one. It has much capacity, more than 2,000 capacity. It's an auditorium. So let's do this quickly. Highlights. Okay, I've done that. So what next? We're not done yet. Is to pick the rich area we want to flow. The rich area we want to flow. This is the vertical is going here. Vertical is going here. Like so. Pick it up. Incline is going this way to that spot on 45°. Going back this way. not flowing properly, just drop it the way it should be. So I can highlight. Keep it like so. Okay, we're done with all of that. Make sure the point you picked is up appropriately. Then take your line again. Okay. The designs I do, I don't bring up a design for tutorial sake. I have designs on my table all the time. So what I do is to, whenever tutorial arises, I use that in which I'm supposed to do teach us on, and that will make you, the students, be acquainted to the real view design they are facing. Okay, this is real view modeling, not assumption, or picking up a design to model. Okay. Except when I will having less designs on my table, we'll start doing all of that. For now, clients on the table, the deck, looking for their materials. So what we're doing still is placing all of this rightly at the spot like we did last time, like we did lost our line. Okay. Okay, I think we're done with that. We're done with all of that. So what next? We'll go to offsets. From the last offset we did in our design, we used 100. But today I want to use 150 for offsetting. Like the model we saw before, we did that is 150. So let's do 150 this time. Like so, like so. If it highlights two lines, it will show you a pink line to show that there's a material on it. Like so, like so, like so, like so. Like so, like so. No, inside. Remember, you don't take it outside, you take it inside. Take it inside, not outside. Like so, like so, like so, like so. Okay. Do you see what I say? If you should highlight two lines, it will turn to be pink. You go back and delete that line. Highlighted it and delete one of it. It's out. I take my line again. Okay, my offset, sorry. Offset 2. If I'm not done. Okay. Okay, I think we're done with all of that. We're done with all the lining. So what else? We have to split it here. First of all, remove all these middle lines. Let me do a line extension first of all on the Gable. Line extensions. Look at how I'll do it this way. Come here. This way. See how I did it? Go back here. Line extension. Between here and here. And here. To here. I think this one is not pulling well. Let me escape my tool so I can place it very well. Okay. And I'm meant to delete this as well. And to delete that as well. Delete this as well. Have this one left. Line extension. Okay. Delete this as well. Therefore, we're left with all of that. Let's split. Have to use our splitting tool. Split the middle. Here doesn't the edges doesn't need splitting. Split two. Split two. Then we don't need splitting anymore here. Let's pick our trim extension. Let's begin from here. Wow. So yet to select this. Delete all of that. Middle line. Just use it for reference purpose. Okay. Let's pick our trim extension. So something is left here. Something is not right here. Okay. Is there? Is there? Trim extension. Remember, I only offsetted one face, did not offset the other face. What I'll do there is do this trim extension, cut off this way, cut off this way. I'll still come to delete this. Don't need it. It's also serving as a reference. Okay. Okay. So to do. Okay. This way. This way. That way. Let's see what is happening here. Trim properly. No. Take it out. Like so. Not trim these edges. I trim it very well. They match. Okay. Come in here. So trim. Already splitted already. They'll do all of the trimming alongside. So what is happening here too. Clear up excesses. Okay. clear up SSs. Like so. I told you initially, the middle line is just for reference purpose. Start to do our offset borders with it, after which we remove. Then do this. I think we're done. What else to do? Remove the tools we are having, highlights, and remove that of the Gable. That of the Gable is going out. So this time around, we don't need to raising it up or taking it down. We only need to kind of finish it to be on the roof. Okay, it's gone. Let's finish. Okay. After checking to find out where we have an issue, where the issue is coming from, I extended this some line here. Okay, with some extensions so that I can edit again. Let me split it off. Let's see. I think this is not lining well. Let's split properly. Split properly. We did undo to come back, redo, to come back to see all the lines very well. I think they are all anchoring very well. Look at how we splitted it. The height's been splitted. Check very well and know where the error is coming from. Then we do. So I can finish. Then drop the tool. Delete. Okay. Let's see, finish again. It has gone in. It has gone in. So let's see what we have in 3D view. This is what we've gotten in 3D view. Just like what we've done, what we saw the first time. This is what we've gotten in 3D view. So you see how the ridge curve went through and lapped very well here. At the same time, coming to this place, see how the cover came here. Okay, this is how to do our gable roof. It's how to do our gable roof. Gable roof. So, okay, this one we've not done this, but this is what we did before we came to do tutorial on this. So let's do this quickly. Let's do this quickly. Let me go to elevation. Elevation. What of the elevation am I going to? Let me use east view. East view again. I've seen it in the east. I want to do that of the tower. Okay. Do it fast, sharply. See, okay, let's see in the elevation and see what we've done here. See how it's been placed. See how it's placed exactly how we left it here in the elevation. So let's see. Do the same thing here. Let's see, copy. Copy. Highlight. Copy. I'm not even taking copy, I'm now getting used to the trim extension. Okay, take it up a bit and bring it down a bit. Okay, I have to drop the two I'm having with me. I have to drop the two I'm having with me. Okay, thank you. Therefore, now go this way. The architecture, vertical, like that, like so. I use side view, open on site. This is the view I'm seeing. Same use, I use this line like that, like so. Oh, taking the wrong two, take this, zoom, it's gone off, material. Okay, let's bring it up this way. This is the drawing we have highlighted. This one we highlighted. I want to do the wrong one, like so. This time around, I'm using the square line to achieve that. If you're having a simple structure like this, use a square line to achieve that. This one is easy, like so. This is how to do your gable roof. Your ridge cap, I'm going to say. It's not of the gable, this is ridge cap. Okay. Then, sorry, use our offsetting tool, like so, like so. Like, see, it's looking very big here due to it's a smaller house. It's a smaller roof sheet. Looks so big. But when we're using the same 150 at the other bigger structure, it looks very small. That is what our design looks like. So now we just remove all of that, move all of that, move all of that, move all of that, Ctrl Z, move all of that. Therefore, use a trim extension, fix all what we want to fix. This is how to do your reach. What's happening? Ctrl Z. Okay. Yes. Okay. What is happening? Don't want this video to take this time, so I'm rushing to see we can finish it up now. So you need to calm down to have your trimming done properly. So we're done with this. Say finish. Okay. You see it? How we did it. So let's go to our 3D. See. Look at it. Ridge cap done properly. Thank you. This is how to do your ridge cap, your structure on the gable roof. Okay, this is how to do your ridge caps. Okay. Follow for more content like this, like our page, subscribe to our channel, and keep on your notification bell on, so whenever I bring content like this, you will be the first to make use of it. Thank you. Look at the reach. That looked beautiful. So we've done all of this in the last video. Did all of this in the last video. Did all of this. Did the road construction. Follow our. If you don't know how to do design the road channel, your link routes, just follow our page, go to our previous videos, you see how we're going to design all of this. So thank you.